The best foods for weight loss. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often on everyone's mind, weight loss. But we're taking a different approach. Instead of restrictive diets, we are focusing on the best foods that can naturally support your weight loss journey. Let's get started. 1. The power of whole foods. First up, let's talk about the power of whole foods. Foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats are your allies on this journey. They're packed with nutrients and fiber that keep you satisfied and energized. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, they're not just for salads. Spinach, kale, and their leafy companions are low in calories and high in fiber, making them perfect for promoting fullness while keeping your calorie intake in check. 3. Lean proteins. Lean proteins, like chicken breast, beans, and eggs, are your muscle-building friends. They keep you feeling full, preserve muscle mass, and rev up your metabolism. A win-win for weight loss. 4. Colorful fruits. Nature's candy, colorful fruits. Berries, citrus fruits, and apples are not only rich in vitamins and antioxidants but also satisfy your sweet cravings without derailing your progress. 5. Healthy fats. Don't fear fats, embrace the healthy ones. Avocado, nuts, and olive oil provide essential fatty acids that support your body's functions and keep you feeling satiated. 6. Whole grains. Swap refined grains for whole grains. Quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are higher in fiber, helping you stay fuller for longer and stabilizing blood sugar levels. 7. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed snack that promotes fullness and supports gut health. Add some berries for a delightful and nutritious combination. 8. Hydration. Hydration plays a crucial role in weight loss. Water keeps you feeling full and supports your body's metabolic processes. Infused water with fruits and herbs adds a tasty twist. 9. Dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right, dark chocolate. A small piece of dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth and even offer some antioxidant benefits. 10. Conclusion. And there you have it. The best foods for weight loss that are both delicious and nutritious. Remember, it's not about restriction. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods that support your health goals.